Alright, so I'll start with the first part where what all exams are remaining and how to prepare for the remaining exam. The first thing is the CAT is over. The major of the most of the dangerous exam is over. So all the non-CAT exams are remaining now. And the fundamental shift which you'll see, CAT, if I talk about, CAT was more focused on maths. So you have seen your mocks and everything, what main concern area was maths. But CET and all the non-CAT exams, the main focus area is going to be logic. Fine, that's one fundamental shift. So if you are enjoying logic or if you like logic, everything is going to be straightforward for you. Okay. So if I talk about the exam point of view, fine. So CAT, NMAT, IFT, SNAP, TIS, ZAT, MICA, CET. So these are the almost 8 exams which we have. So depending upon your liking, your area of interest, so we'll target on the remaining exams. Fine. As of today, if I talk about CAT and NMAT and IFT, in तीनों का date is over. So you can't apply for these 3 exams. So those who have just started their preparation. Fine. So we have still form remaining for SNAP, TIS, ZAT, MICA and CET. And trust me, in all these exams, maths is not a problem. Fine. So main problem is going to be logic. If you have prepared for CAT earlier, great. But CAT में logic के नाम पे कुछ आता नहीं था. The only thing which is coming in logic on the name of CAT is puzzles. Fine. But in all these exams, everything is different. Okay. So these are the remaining exams which we have in plan. Fine. So why CAT was a main exam? Because most of the band A colleges, by band A I mean with the average package of 15 lakh, are taking CAT scores. So all these colleges are taking CAT scores. Fine. Whereas on the other hand, if I talk about CET, there is only one college, Jamnal Bajaj, which is the band A college. If I talk about Symbiosis, again band A, there is only one college, SIBM Pune. ZAT, there are 2 colleges, SP Jain and XLRI. सब में एक college है. Fine. So major chunk is through CAT. So because the CAT is over, doesn't mean your world is over now. Because now the major part is all the remaining exam. And the best part is the confidence is over for most of the people. So probably out of 30 people sitting in this classroom, there is not even one person who is feeling confident after CAT. And this is exactly the problem happens with everyone. And that's why I keep this workshop every year after CAT. कि तुम CAT में जैसा भी करके आ जाओ, let's start again for the non-CAT exam. Fine. So there are 2 kind of people who will be there. Right now there are some people who have just started their preparation, probably few of you. And there are some people who have taken CAT earlier and then starting their preparation for CET. Fine. Or other exams. Fine. Now person who just started their preparation for CET, they will be laughing on people on CAT कि तुमने CAT देके क्या उखाड़ लिया? आए ना वापस. Anyway you are preparing that for CET. तो CAT देके क्या उखाड़ लिया? तो if I give it, but if I take a mock today, this guy in a CET mock for example, this guy will be scoring 100 marks. You will be scoring 80 marks. Why? Because she have taken CAT earlier. Fine. CAT में उसका कुछ भी वो पता नहीं, लेकिन she have done her preparation once, and which is very important. Fine. So those who have not done very good in CAT, no problem. At least आपका syllabus एक बार पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. And that's the beauty of the part. चलेगा? ठीक है. So if I give you example for that, we had a student last year who got 72 percentile in CAT, but he got 234 in Narsi Monji and NMAT. So he converted to Narsi Monji. We had a girl, BMS girl, not even an engineer. She had 83% in CAT and was CET ka rank 6. Fine. We have a guy who was 86% in CAT and was Symbiosis ka 99.98 percentile. Last year almost a topper of Symbiosis. Fine. So CAT में अच्छा नहीं हुआ इसका मतलब ये नहीं बाकी एग्जाम अच्छे नहीं होंगे. उल्टे केस भी है. We have a person who got 99.99 in CAT, but ZAT में उसका 90 था. Fine. Because every exam is a different skill set. कोई टेस्ट मैच है, कोई वनडे मैच है, कोई हॉकी का मैच है. You don't know कि आपका कौन से में स्कोर आएगा. तो इसके लिए what I normally say कि you take as many exams as possible with the promise कि एक एग्जाम तो निकलेगा. इंडियन स्टूडेंट अगर 4 एग्जाम देगा, एक तो पास होगा. Right. So that's the objective why I give you to give as many exams as possible. Fine. So as of now, these are the 5 exams which are remaining. Fine. इनमें से the best exam is Symbiosis because number of seats are maximum. There are 220 seats per college. There are 3 main colleges. So total 600 seats, 660 seats are there. Fine. So maximum number of seats are there for Symbiosis. Followed by CET because almost 500 seats are going to be there for CET. Okay. So these are the 2 main exams with the maximum number of people. TIS is there for HR. So if you are interested in HR, then only go for TIS. Fine. The best part of this is fees is 60,000. I don't know the exact number, but mota moti 60,000 fees for 2 years, and average salary is 12 to 14 lakhs. So ROI point of view, this is the best ROI you can get. Only if you have interest in HR or you are an engineer. Engineer normally have interest in nothing, so we can do anything. जहाँ पे पैसा मिल रहा हम लोग कर लेंगे काम, तो बस काम बता दो, ठीक है. So you can apply for that. ठीक है. The only problem in this table is ZAT. Because अगर आपको CAT का पेपर थोड़ा टफ लगा था तो ZAT उसका बाप है. Fine. CAT की कट ऑफ is normally out of 50 question probably will be 30 question. 30 question right out of 50 will get you a good percentage. Fine. So this is मोटा मोटी 66% paper you have to solve. नहीं 66 नहीं कितना हो जा रही है 60% marks. So if you are able to score 60% marks, you are getting through CAT. ZAT on the other hand, out of 25 maths question, cutoff is going to be 9 question. ये तो और आसान हो गया. Then it's a more easy paper. You only have to solve 1/3 of the paper. But if I say other way around, कितना गंदा पेपर है कि लोगों का 1/3 मार्क्स नहीं आएगा. There is a section which is going to be called decision making. I'll keep a workshop on that separately. Decision making का 25 क्वेश्चन में से कट ऑफ इस 4 नंबर. तो मतलब पब्लिक का 4 भी नहीं आता. लेकिन अगर गलती से तुम्हारा 5 आ गया, सॉरी, अगर गलती से 5 आ गया, यू आर 99.99% चलेगा. सो एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट is that you will get a better percentile than in CAT. And most of the B schools are taking ZAT scores and CAT scores. So we can apply through ZAT score for that exams. Samjha? Fine. Followed by MICA. MICA is mainly for if you have interest in media advertising. Fine. If you are interested in finance, please don't look at MICA. Media advertising is a subset of marketing. Yes. So if you are interested in marketing, yes, media. अगर कल को चाहते हो कि पेप्सी की ऐड में तुम्हारी फोटो नहीं आएगी बट नीचे नाम लिखा आएगा कि डिजाइंड या कंसेप्चुलाइज बाय सो एंड सो, यस यू हैव टू गो टू माइका. फाइन. सो इफ आई हैव टू डू माय एमबीए अगेन, इफ आई रोल बैक अ फ्यू इयर्स बैक, आई वुड हैव डन माय एमबीए फॉर माइका. मेरा माइका कन्वर्ट था, आई स्टिल प्रेफर जेबी और माइका, बट आज अगर मौका मिलता तो आई वुड हैव गॉन टू माइका. मे बी आई एम डूइंग मार्केटिंग इज पार्ट ऑफ माई रोल, सो मे बी दैट्स व्हाई आई एम थिंकिंग, बट आई हैव अ इंक्लिनेशन टुवर्ड दैट साइड. एनीवे, so last exam which we left is CET, and the best part of CET is fees is less. ROI average fees of the colleges taking CET is 2 to 4 lakh. Okay. I don't want to name a few colleges which are there in Pune. Fine. They have an average fees of 14 lakh. Out of 200 का batch, only 10 to 15 people have got a job. लेकिन fees 14 lakh. ठीक है. तो फालतू में एमबीए करके फायदा नहीं फिर. और सो हैव टू टारगेट अ डिसेंट कॉलेज व्हिच हैव अ. सो सीईटी का मेन एडवांटेज इज फीस इज लेस. 2 लाख 4 लाख फीस है. सो योर आरओआई इज क्वाइट गुड ऑन दैट. फाइन. दैट मेक्स सीईटी द मोस्ट अट्रैक्टिव एग्जाम ऑफ ऑल. फाइन. राइट. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट आरओआई ऑफ अ एवरेज कॉलेज, ठीक है, बिफोर आई गो टू आरओआई ऑफ वेदर 14 lakh or 12 lakh salary fees is justified or not, let me talk about the average ROI of an engineer. Today, as of today, average engineering fees is 1 lakh rupees per year. 4 साल में तुमने 4 लाख खर्चा किया, ठीक है, और तुम्हारे बैच में हार्डली नॉट इवन 10% पीपल विल गेट 4 लाख का नौकरी. यू आर गेटिंग एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ 3 lakhs. टैक्स कट कटा के सेविंग इन हैंड इज नॉट मोर देन 1 lakh rupees पर ईयर. सेविंग तो खैर होती नहीं होगी इंजीनियर की नौकरी, पहले मेरे भी नहीं होती थी, but normally 1 lakh rupees. So it take you 4 years का time to justify the 4 lakh का investment. But why you are investing 4 lakh? For the future. See, I am an engineer, so I am normally giving the engineering example, but the same for I guess everyone. Fine. So same thing here. In an MBA, if the average fees is too high, is because it's not funded by the government. Almost every engineering college in India is funded by the government. So because of that, the fees is less. Whereas MBA is more of a private, so the fees is high. But even if you are earning 8 to 10 lakh salary after MBA from an average B school, it will take you 2 years का time to recover your investment. But from 3rd year, your actual income starts. ठीक है. तो प्रॉब्लम इज MBA नहीं करो तो और क्या करोगे, फिर क्या करोगे? MBA तो करना ही है. If you are happy with a 3 lakh 4 lakh 5 lakh का नौकरी, great, go for that. Fine. So MBA will decide which car you are going to drive after 5 years. ठीक है. अगर तो आपको एक बड़ी पैर सी कार आती है मारुति ऑल्टो, दैट इज़ अ इंडियन मिडिल क्लास कार, तो तुम इंजीनियर हो तो तुम ये कार बिंदास बाय कर सकते हो. या कभी तुम जॉब करते हो, यू कैन ईजिली बाय दिस कार. फाइन. द मेन एडवांटेज विल कम इफ यू आर एबल टू बाय अ बिगर कार. That all will be decided by a MBA, that also from a good college, not average college. ठीक है, चलेगा. So that's one of the motivation. Car is just example, just to motivate for you. अगर कोई बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए तो you have to go for that. ठीक है. मेरा रूममेट था, मेरा जो इंजीनियर MBA का रूममेट था, the moment he done his with MBA, he bought a flat. तो उसने बड़ा एक आलीशान घर पाम बीच रोड पे खरीद लिया. So he paid the installment for the flat. So last year he was done with the payment and he bought a BMW on loan. तो एक लोन उतरा, he started loan number 2. But what I'm trying to say is कि he is living his life or what he wanted to do. वो दो ही तरह से आएगा. यहाँ your dad is rich enough to give you a BMW as a gift or you earn enough to buy a BMW. चलेगा. So next 3 months we have got, still lot of colleges are there which are good enough to crack for this year. ठीक है. And then अगला साल तो आएगा यार, वो तो हर साल आता है. Every year you have a next year option. Fine. So today you decide whether you are okay for a Jamnal Bajaj or SP Jain or FMS or other non-CAT exams, or if you want to focus on CAT, then from today onward you start with CAT 15. तो ये सब छोड़ दो. Alright, that cutoff point you have to make today. Either next 3 months work hard for this and then we'll see क्या होता है, नहीं तो अभी से CAT 15 भी आ जाए. चलेगा. So obviously we will decide. There is another option as well. I will focus on all the exams this year. Try to get a good score. Try to get into band A or a band B college. अगर कुछ नहीं मिलता, then I maybe go for next year CAT. So it's a kind of a middle way between the two. Because we still have got 3 months time, or 3.5 months to be precise, from today till your CET exam. ठीक है. The only thing which you have to keep a track now is the last date for all these exams. ठीक है. सिम्बॉयसिस का लास्ट डेट अभी आने वाला है, सो प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ द सिम्बी का लास्ट डेट. सिम्बी का लास्ट डेट है, टिस का लास्ट डेट, ये सारे आर इन दिस वीक ओनली. दे वर रेडी फॉर CAT टू हैपन. ठीक है. बिकॉज देयर वर स्टिल सम पीपल हु वांटेड टू करे अपन CAT के तोड़ के आएंगे, तो वो सब अभी बाकी एग्जाम पे बाई करने वाले. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द फ्यू ऑप्शंस व्हिच वी हैव, यू कैन अप्लाई. ऑलराइट. हाँ, तो आई विल आंसर बोथ दिस क्वेश्चन. यस, वन एग्जाम व्हिच आई मिस्ड इज CMAT. Fine. I normally say about CMAT is not very important now. So the colleges which are accepting CMAT is Goa Institute of Management, which is famous for beer. 25-30 rupees beer. I was in Goa last week, so I can tell you that live rates 25 rupees for a beer, pint of beer, and 5 rupees for petrol. Cannot come to the bikinis and all the things. Okay, Goa Institute of Management, Great Lakes, KJ Somaya, Willinger. These are the 4 colleges. And the best part is these are the colleges which are taking every exam. They are taking CAT as well, they are taking ZAT as well as, so they are taking almost every exam. Fine. So yes, CMAT will give us a backup. Probably that will decide by December end when CAT का result is out to see कितना where you stand and how much we have covered up, and then we'll take a call. चलेगा. So I rank CMAT as a backup college. Alright. If you are my student, I normally talk about one thing which is called G students. G strategy and G student. G is not a genius. G is a गरीब student जो बेचारा जिसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. ठीक है. जिसे CAT दिया, CAT में मार खा गया, CET भी नहीं हो पा रहा, कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा, उनके लिए बहुत प्यारा एग्जाम है MAT. Fine. There are few colleges in India which accept every B school, every exam का scores. For example, MICA, for example, Willinger, for example, SIS. Fine. Suppose I applied to Willinger through CAT score. My CAT was, let's say, 65%. Let's take a worst case example, 65%. If you are a CAT 65 percentiler, आपका MAT में 99 तो आना ही है. 99 छोड़ो, 90 तो आना ही है. Fine. A CAT 60 or a 70 percentiler in CAT will be MAT 95 percentiler. So for Willinger, the weightage for both these things is the same. So rather than going with the 70 percentile, it's better to go with 95 percentile. Right? So yes, so if you are looking at these kind of colleges, so then we'll keep MAT as a good option. Otherwise, there is no value for MAT. MAT is happening 4 times a year. Next is in December, जिसका अभी last date आने वाला है. and alright, so great. Today the last date for मैट application and February में आएगा, ठीक है. तो फेब वाला मैट भी आप दे सकते हैं, any one of the मैट्स whichever is more comfortable, ठीक है. So all this is the backup plan. The main exams are, as of today, the main exams are only SNAP, XAT and CET. These are the three main exams which are there, which have more colleges through them. बाकी टेस्ट अच्छा है, लेकिन टेस्ट में there are only 60 seats. That's a problem of टेस्ट. गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज की ये प्रॉब्लम है, सीटें बहुत कम होता है, so competition हाई. Fine. Exam is easy, no doubt about this. Test का exam, because competition is high. Fine. So SNAP, XAT, CET, NMET is also remaining for some people. Who are there attempt number 2 or attempt number 3 for NMET, which is remaining. And we have MICA. So these are the 6 exams which are remaining. CMAT, which we have option as of today. Fine. I want you to consider yourself as a beggar as of now. Okay, you're not a chooser anymore. You're not a chooser as of now. Fine. Let's convert as many colleges as we can, and then we'll select कौन सा join करना है, कौन सा नहीं करना. ठीक है. It's like a typical guy who is hitting on two, 3 girls. कोई तो हाँ बोलेगी. So you keep on trying on these exams till one of them say yes to you, and then we'll select. Are you getting me? Let's convert 2-3 calls, and then we will decide. Then give me a call. Then we decide कि ये join करना है कि वो join करना है. So depending on your score, we'll decide. Fine. So but yes, so these are the exams. So game is still in the market. So we have ball in the court. We have a few exams. ऐसा नहीं CAT गया तो मेरा life खत्म हो गया सब करोगे. So we have lot of exams pending. ठीक है. And if I compare between now, you might say कि IIM Ahmedabad is IIM Ahmedabad remaining. So IIM Ahmedabad as of today the fees is 19 lakhs at IIM Ahmedabad. Jamnalal Bajaj fees is 16. Oh, sorry, fees is 2 lakhs. ठीक है. So I am paying almost 9 times salary, 9 times more fees. So at least I can expect a double salary. जबकि average salary at IIM Ahmedabad is I think 18.5 lakh. Please don't quote me for that. Approximate. The ideal salary to check on the site. And JB have an average salary of 16.5. There's no major difference except for brand name. ठीक है. Alright. So these are the exams we have options with us which you can target. Alright. Alright, if you want to join us for our courses, so you can call us on this number or for a classroom and online program. So whichever program you want to join, we have a program for all these exams at MyCat, CMAT, CET, all the exams. Or you can join a combo pack which is JB 120, which includes preparation for all the exams. Alright. So you can call these numbers. Thank you.